My app explores the concept of using augmented reality to conduct chemistry experiments that could be dangerous or in situations where the access to real chemistry practical lessons are limited. This app explores the reactions of group 1 metals with water. I like the idea of bringing two markers together to make a reaction occur as it mimics the actual process of conducting an experiment. The experiment can be re-augmented when the cards are pulled apart and brought together again. Augmented reality provides an avenue to perform the experiment as many times as possible. The second part of the app explores the idea of how covalent bonds are formed between two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Two hydrogen atoms come close to an oxygen atom to form a water molecule. This whole experience can be re-augmented when the cards are pulled apart. The ability to visualize complex concepts in a 3D space by literally bringing them to life is the future of more interactive and engaging learning. Vuforio's multiple marker tracking system is really good and allows the possibility of immersive and engaging learning experiences in augmented reality.